You want to make that hairstyle that won't take long and will look elegant on you. Here is the style: jumbo braids. Hello everyone, welcome to iFear Studio where beauty meets creativity. Today we are bringing you a collection of stunning hairstyle jumbo braid that are perfect for every occasion. Whether you are heading to a party, a wedding, or you just want to elevate your everyday look, we've got you covered. These stunning looks are perfect for any occasion. Each style showcases the beauty, creativity, and versatility of hair at its finest. You're still watching this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Imagine you rocking these gorgeous hairstyles. These hairstyles aren't just trend, they are timeless statements of confidence and elegance. And you can also pack it to any style in different style. As you scroll through this beautiful creation, let them spark your imagination and help you discover the perfect style to express your unique personality. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more incredible hairstyle inspiration. Let's celebrate the art of hair.